How to transfer from Web3 wallet to spot wallet Bybit. If you want to transfer from Web3 wallet to spot wallet Bybit, this video is for you. Now go and open up the Bybit app. After you open the Bybit, now tap on this deposit. From this deposit, now go and search for USDT or any coin that you want to transfer. So for me, I'll use USDT. After you search for USDT, so it will appear like this. Now go and select the network. I'll use BIP20. So now here is the address. Now tap on this. Okay, here is the address. After you copy the address like this, now go back, tap on this back again, and tap on the Web3. So from the Web3 section, now here is Web3. All you have to do now, you can tap on this search and search for the coin you want to withdraw. For me, it is USDT. I'll search for USDT again. After you search for USDT, now here is USDT under Binance Merchant. So select it like this. After you select it like this, now because now I don't have any USDT in my Binance in my Web3 wallet, that's why it just give me 0. So if you have the USDT on your Web3 wallet on Bybit, it will allow you to see this send button. Now here is send button. If you tap on this send button, now it will allow you to specify the amount and paste in the address. From there, you can be able to transfer from Web3 wallet to spot wallet Bybit. Hope this video helps you out. Please like and subscribe.